Hey everyone, it's Nikki Elsing, registered dietitian, nutritionist, and certified wellness coach, wanting to say hello today because it's Friday and I have amazing news for you. We need to talk about this fat burner. Got it right back here, my little fat burner that we're using with Physique System. Remember, if you're in the challenge and you want to be doing that, then get some. If you're just looking to be able to follow along and see what's going on with all of us, that's perfectly fine too, but make sure you get your orders in because guess what? It's on sale today. Huge sale, buy two, get one free. Super excited about it. And why am I excited about it? Because here's the thing. Most of us carry that weight in our middle, right? So we have that central weight that's just kind of right there around our middle and our waist, making those pants hard to fit, making it so our tops get a little bit tight there, and it's just not very comfortable. And we know that that fat sitting there is problematic. It's going to cause trouble for us. But what we don't know a lot of times is we don't realize that not only is it deeply embedded into our organ area where all our organs are and pushed in through there, and also what we see on the outside, but get this, yesterday, or this week, I guess, I was digging through some of my desk drawers and I found a couple pictures that I wanted to share with you. And remember, we often think of that fat that's stubborn as the stuff that we can see, but there's so much more that we need to be aware of. And a lot of this we don't even know is there or causing problems until it's really, really bad. So let me show you a couple things. I came across this. This is a syringe of blood that I had in my drawer from a long time ago as I've been working with patients. I've been working with lots and lots of patients over the years, trying to help them lower the risk of heart disease, help to manage heart disease, but also lose weight. And a lot of that was that centrally located weight. And when people have more centrally located weight, usually they have more more fat in their blood. And that's showing this. This is crazy. When I saw this picture, I actually took the picture and somebody brought me the syringe to show me, but that's blood. Remember, blood's supposed to be nice, bright, and red, right? And look how milky pink that is. So that's problematic, right? And it just took my breath away when I saw the picture. And when they spun it out, this just shows you, see the white stuff on the top or yellowish stuff? That's the fats, the blood fats, and then the red on the bottom is what your blood's supposed to be. So it took the fat and put it up at the top and left the blood on the bottom. So that's very, very unfortunate for that person and horrible for your body to have to push that through your system. So today is the day we need to change that. And that's what I'm looking to you guys and saying, hey, you know what? This is such a huge part of our weight management system. And it's on sale today. And I just checked and it has a little countdown and there's 18 hours left to get the sale. So usually the Physique Fat Burn is $45. Today only, the next 18 hours left. You can buy two and get one free. So you get three of them for 90 bucks. And a couple questions that a lot of people have is it a stimulant? Is it going to cause me to be all jittery? Is it research-based? And of course it's Lifevantage, right? And Lifevantage has research-based products, which is why I'm here and why a lot of the other people that have joined me are here as well and why I take the products myself. And so really good research showing that the two different products in here, Svetol and Sinatrol, are both working to be able to tackle that weight right around your center to be able to pull that off. And how we do that is with 2 capsules with your 2 main meals a day. Oftentimes 2 with breakfast and oftentimes 2 with lunch. Usually myself, I have my larger meals at lunch and supper, so I'm gonna have 2 at lunch and 2 at supper. So anyhow, get on there, check out, find your Physique Fat Burner, get it today. And if you have more questions, we have amazing info sheets that whoever added you to these pages or whoever is getting you your product can send to you, and they are beautiful. They're just really nice handouts, great frequently asked questions, great handouts. So please make sure and get in touch with them and ask them. And here is to an amazing New Year's weekend, and we are gonna make 2018 a lighter year with this fat burn. So take care. Have a great weekend.